After settling the decades-old Ayodhya dispute, the Supreme Court is set to pronounce its verdict on another temple matter, the Sabarimala temple row. The issue is about allowing women of menstrual age into the hill shrine devoted to Lord Ayappa, who is considered a celibate deity. In a 4:1 verdict last year, the Supreme Court had allowed women of all ages to enter the temple and had triggered massive protests by staunch devotees. Even as the temple authorities refused to allow women in, the Kerala government told the court that as many as 51 women aged between 10 and 50 were taken to the shrine with police protection. Journalist Kavita Jakal and social activist Reina Fatima were among the prominent women who managed to enter the main temple premises. Slamming the move, protesting devotees said that the Supreme Court ruling had defied age-old tradition of the temple and sought review of its verdict. But why is there a ban on menstruating women in the first place? The Sabarimala temple is situated in dense forest on top of a hill in Kerala's Pathanamthitta district, which is believed to be the place where Lord Ayappa had meditated after defeating demoness Mahishasuri. According to the legend, the demoness turned out to be a beautiful woman who was under a curse, and the defeat had freed her from the curse. Following this, the woman proposed Lord Ayappa, but he refused, saying that he had been ordained to go to the forest and answer the prayers of devotees. But as the woman persisted, he promised to marry her when the devotees stopped visiting him. To honor the woman, Ayappa is said to have decided to shun all worldly desires and not receive women devotees in the menstruating age. Temple managers and devotees consider this impure. In 2006, Kannada actress Jayamala revealed that she had visited the temple with her husband when young. Following this, the Tantri or the chief priest of the temple performed a purification ritual. Urged by this, Bhakti Pasraja Sethi, a lawyer and a general secretary of Indian Young Lawyers Association, along with 5 colleagues filed a petition in the Supreme Court against the ban on women in the temple. They said that the ban was against the constitutional rights. 12 years later, the Supreme Court allowed the entry of all women into the temple. However, Justice Indu Malhotra, the lone woman in the 5-judge bench, dissented and said the right to equality can't override the fundamental right to worship, and that notions of rationality can't be brought into matters of religion. Apart from legal aspects, the lifting of the ban also took a political color, as the communist-led ruling LDF, which is known to be against all religions, enforced the Supreme Court verdict. The BJP, which is known to be a staunch Hindutva party and was looking to make a mark in the state, went in favor of the devotees. Despite the posturing by both sides, those supporting the ban seem to have gotten the upper hand, as the Supreme Court earlier this year decided to admit petitions seeking review of its earlier verdict. On February 6 this year, the Supreme Court reserved its verdict in the case. Although the temple is legally open to women, the decision now hangs in balance and all eyes will be on the Supreme Court. For more such videos, subscribe to the Federal's YouTube channel. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn.